Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how I modeling, texturing, and we're gonna do a little bit sculpt to create this kind of wood. Okay, let's start it. First open up your Blender, new file, general, press A, just delete everything, go to the front view, press Shift A, mask, or cylinder. We can tap to the edit mode, press Alt Z, select all of the top, press A to select everything, press S, Z, scale it on the Z axis like this. Then you can press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, just like this. Then we can move it here, press G to move it, click and drag like this. We can scale this one down. Select one down here. This part we're just gonna create something similar, like a tree bark or a tree branch, something like this. Then at the top here, we're just gonna press I, like this, then press Shift R to repeat. Do the same down here, press I to insert, press Shift R to repeat. Okay, go to the object mode, then ada modifier deform, displace. Create new here, click here, image or movie here, change it to cloud. Just leave it like this for now, then back here at the modifier, add another modifier, and add the subdivision surface. Make it level 2 here. We can increase the strength here at our displacement. We will have this kind of result. We want this, but we don't need this over here at the middle. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, then Alt Z, click and drag like this, press Shift, click and drag, select the both side, top and the bottom, go here, data property, vertex group here, add a new and group here, click assign, go to the object mode, then go to the modifier here, vertex group here, select the group. So we only have this result. Let's try right click shade smooth. We can apply this modifier and subdivision modifier also. Then go to the sculpt here. I'm gonna use this brush. Increase the strength and click and drag. Just like this. Maybe you can try to reduce the radius. Okay, just repeat the process here. Do on the other side. Just add more. Just sculpt like this, slowly, to make it look more natural. Just repeat this process till you're satisfied with the result. Okay, I guess it's pretty fine. We can try to create another version. Let's move it over here. Press Shift A, mask. Let's set a plane, RX 90 degree. Let's tap to the edit mode, press SZ, scale it on the Z axis. Just like this. We can press Ctrl R, put some loop cut here. I'm using like 5 cuts here. Then select all of this as to scale it on the x-axis, something like this. Select these two vertices, click here to enable the professional editing, change here to sphere, go to the top view, press GY, move it on the y-axis back here. We can increase and reduce the effect by using your scroll wheel. I'm gonna create something like this. Press A to select everything, go to the top view, press E to extrude it like this. Next, press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, increase the segment like this. Okay, go to the front view, press Ctrl R, put another loop cut here, then press Alt Z, click and drag like this. Do the same at the bottom here. Go to the object data property, vertex group here, click assign. Back to the object mode, go to the modifier, add a modifier, deform, and displace. We will gonna do something similar like before. Create new, click here, image or movie here, change it to cloud. Direction here, change it to Y. Okay, you can press Ctrl 2, add the subdivision modifier, and put it up here. So we have something like this. Then let's add another subdivision modifier. Then you can adjust the strength here, and just like this. Okay, then let's move to shading tab here and change here to object mode. Add a new material, press Shift A, search for noise texture, add a mapping node, connect mapping to vector here, then we need a texture coordinate. Put object to vector, press Shift A, search for color ramp, put it here, then connect color to vector here. Press Shift Ctrl, click at your color ramp, then X scale here at the mapping node. You can change the scale here, so we will have this kind of result. Over here, the noise texture, the scale, we can reduce it, so we will have something like this. Then let's move this here, Shift A, search for bump node, put it here, connect bump to normal here, and at this color ramp, you can press Shift Ctrl D, duplicate it, put it here, connect color to high here, then we can Shift Ctrl at your principal BSDF, color ramp here, connect color to base color. At your bump node, change this to 0.01. We can also change the color here. Okay, we can click here, viewport shading, change it to render preview, change it to, then render engine here, change it to EV2 cycle, click here, and let's disable the scene light and the scene warp. Go to the material property here, go down here, go to the setting here, bump only, change it to displacement and bump. Then you can Shift A, search for displacement, just put it here, connect the displacement to the displacement, color ramp here, connect to high, then we can adjust the scale here. Okay, then the last thing we need to do, add another noise texture, and let's put it here. Okay, then I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.